How to quickstart your Odoo implementation. In this video, we will discuss how to start your Odoo ERP implementation quickly. Before jumping right into the process, let's have a quick insight into what Odoo implementation is. Odoo ERP implementation is the procedure of implementing Odoo ERP modules and features into your business environment. Once a company selects Odoo as its ERP solution, they need guidance and support from professionals who know Odoo's all aspects. When you choose a certified Odoo Partner company like O2B Technologies, you do not have to worry about your Odoo implementation. Let's get started with Odoo ERP implementation. Select O2B Technologies as your implementation partner. First, you need to choose the right Odoo implementation partner for your company like O2B Technologies. Once you pick O2B Technologies as your Odoo implementation partner, they will ensure the Odoo implementation success. Initial meetings and assigning single point of contact, consultant. The next step after picking the right partner is planning and scheduling meetings and discussing the standard business needs. Also, in this step, the partner team introduces the single point of contact, that is, Odoo functional consultant, as well as the client team also needs to assign a single point of contact for the partner team. It helps in keeping everything in one place and makes the entire project smooth. Also, in the initial meetings, we perform an initial business analysis and then propose the best Odoo solution for you. This is the stage where we decide what all modules your business might need. Also, we discuss how we work and how the project is going to be managed and tracked. Define the communication strategy. Once the teams are assigned a single point of contact, further, the Odoo partners and client discuss and define the communication strategy that they are going to follow. At O2B Technologies, we communicate with our customers via email, Skype, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WhatsApp, and more. Also, for the later stages, where the client needs to keep a tab on their project status, we communicate via our robust project management tool. Define project scope. It is really important to define a project scope to ensure that all the stakeholders involved are always aligned. First, the team needs to give a clear definition of the initial project scope to make sure the smooth running of the project. Also, this is the stage where the Odoo expert team defines the complete roadmap of the project and gives a complete understanding of the process to all stakeholders. The gap analysis. In the gap analysis stage, the team does the detailed requirement analysis and compares the standard Odoo ERP and out-of-the-box features with the customer requirements. This is the phase where the Odoo functional consultant finds out the gaps that can be filled by Odoo ERP customization or development. In simple words, Odoo specialist points out the specific requirement of the customer that can be fulfilled by Odoo development and customized. Document drafting and designing the workflow. Once the Odoo partner team has a complete understanding of all the business requirements of the customer, they begin with the documentation. They draft a detailed document containing each and every piece of information to ensure that all stakeholders in a project have the same level of knowledge. Prototype of the system. Proof of concept. We believe that it is better to experience or see something for once than to have a theoretical idea about it. This is the reason we prepare a functioning prototype of the system that you will be using in the future. We ensure that you understand how your ERP system will work, and at this stage we can also discuss the scope of changes or customization. Locking the requirements. Once the business analysis is completed and the team designs a document, we lock in the client's requirements and scope and design of the final version of your Odoo software. This means, only the mentioned requirements will be covered in the implementation process. In case something changes, that will be considered a separate requirement from the existing ones. Custom development. In case the customer's business requirements need to be fulfilled by customizing the system, we have a highly skilled team of developers that can customize the system to match exact business needs and workflow. Our Odoo developers can effectively develop new features and customize the modules for your business. Also, we prepare user documentation so that you can understand how to use the new functionalities. Data migration. This is the stage where we import all the transactional data to make sure you will have everything in place when you start using the software. For example, we import customers' previous purchase orders, sales orders, vendor bills, products, and more. Testing and validation. After development, customization, and data import, the testing team starts verifying the developed features and functionalities. If they find any errors, they report it to the development team and then they fix the issue right away. In this way, the final version of the system will be error-free and you will barely face any issues while using the software. Live deployment of the system. Once the development and testing of the software are finished, and the Odoo professionals like Odoo functional consultants and the customer's team gives approval, the development team performs the activities required for a smooth go live of the system. The developers deploy the Odoo system on the customer's production server. We also provide effective Odoo training to your users to ensure the success of Odoo implementation. Post-go live support. After the deployment of the system on the customer's production server, if you can see the issue, have any queries, or find any bug in the system, our skilled Odoo expert team is here to quickly solve every problem and train your users further.
For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a silver partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.